Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Me also fine. Today again I am here with this beautiful textured Alpine crochet stitch pattern. Earlier just I uploaded a short about this crochet stitch. Today in this video we will learn how to crochet this textured crochet stitch. It is very beautiful and recommendable for baby blankets, scarves and hats. So let's begin. Okay, thank you. This Alpine crochet stitch is based on multiple of 2 plus 1 chain, or we can say multiples of 2 even numbers, and in last one more extra chain. After that, in each chain we will crochet single crochet all across the way as a first row. After row 1, which is based on single crochet, we will crochet after turning our project in row 2 regular double crochet to start our crochet pattern, which I am talking about today. So in second row we will crochet regular double crochet stitches all across the way. Okay, see you in the end of the row.
वैसा वैसे रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हो अभी, अब वो ऑन नहीं है ना, ऑन नहीं है।
In this swatch video, I have taken 25 chain stitches as a foundation chain, in which in first row I have crocheted single crochet all across the way. In row 2 regular double crochet all across the way in each stitch. After completing row 2, now we will crochet row 3 of single crochet again on each double crochet stitch of previous row. This pattern is based on front post double crochet and regular double crochet. So after completing our single crochet third row, we will move to our row 4. And in row 4 we will crochet regular double crochet and front post elongated double crochet alternatively to create the alpine stitch pattern. This way we will get half crochet regular double crochet stitches and half elongated front post double crochet stitches and 1 3 chain as a DC in starting. This way we will complete our row 4 and this row 4 start to create our alpine pattern. After completing row 4, we will turn our project and crochet single crochet in each stitches of previous front post double crochet and regular double crochet or row 4. Means row 5 is completely of single crochet stitches. There is no double crochet at all. After row 5 we will turn our project for row 6. In row 6 we will crochet again front post double crochet and regular double crochet, but in this row we will make front post double crochet on the stitch of regular double crochet of row 4 and front post double crochet of regular stitch and front post double crochet on regular double crochet stitch of row 4. Means alternatively we have to make front post double crochet and double crochet of row 4. If we are making double crochet on row 4 on third number, then on that third number in row 6 we have to crochet elongated front post double crochet and after that regular or normal double crochet on elongated double crochet front post double crochet stitch. This way we will get in row 6 alternatively again from row 4 to row 6 to create our pattern of alpine crochet stitch pattern. So on each next row we have to crochet regular double crochet and front post double crochet after single stitch row to complete our project till our desired length. If you want to make a scarf, if you want to make a scarf or crochet the scarf, then we will keep crocheting till our desired length. If we want to make a hat, then take a size of any hat you want to make. And if you want to make a circular or neck warmer, then take a standard size according to your choice. It's a very beautiful textured and raised ridges crochet pattern. Apart from this, we can also use single solid color to create this